everyone, welcome to Number Fun Live.
Let's celebrate
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
numbers turning into a number dance machine.
Hey, welcome to Number Fun Live, everyone. Oh, I am Roberto. Hey, I'm Roberto still because I've got so many pictures from you guys about pizzas from yesterday. Oh, cheeky monkey, what are you wearing? My time goggles. Your time goggles? Yeah, oh dear. They help me understand time. Oh, they help me get a brain around time, which is really good. Well, actually, time is our theme for today and tomorrow and the next few days, actually. Next 4 days, we're going to talk about different aspects of time. I love it. What's this on your time goggles? My hand. Hold on. 1, 2, 3 hands. Oh, he's got 3 hands. We might need that in a minute. Hold on. Let's just pop that off so you can actually breathe. Hi, everyone. Hiya. Well, I'm Dave Godfrey and I'm Cheeky Monkey. And we're here to help you guys have a super cool day, have loads of fun and do some super cool mathematics at home. So what we got lined up? Videos. Yeah, we got some songs, challenges. We got loads of silliness. It's going to be awesome. Oh, so hold on. I've caught your banana. Right, first of all, we're going to do some banana waves, cheeky monkey. Hokey cokey. I've got a great big long list up here on my computer. It says, so the big shout outs and banana waves to Adrian and Rafi. Thank you for the stuff you sent us. Oh, brilliant. Lily, your 30-second challenge is amazing. Oh, Margot, happy birthday to you today. Holly and Leo Delap, big banana wave to you guys. And Archie, well, oh, in fact, Archie, we got Archie on the screen. We have indeed. He found me. He found, well done for finding Cheeky Monkey. You win one of the medallions. Dance. Oh, yes, one of your clues. Dance. Roaring success, or washing line. Oh, no, we've already had that one. What's the other one? It's on my list. Jelly, that's it, the jelly one. So see if you can find Cheeky Monkey, you'll get one of those super duper medallions. I'm loving it. And carry on. Ryan and his friends. Oh, that's right, Ryan and his friends from Avondale Primary School. Big banana wave to you. Emma, your quarters pizzas were amazing. And the Sheffield family, your pizza stuff was brilliant. We've got some pictures in today. We'll have to show some tomorrow because there's so many to do. And they all need a banana wave. And what else they need? A banana chuck. He loves doing banana chucks. Right, it's time for your board. In fact, we've got 2 things to the board. We've got, first of all, we've got a clock, because today, this is Farmer Pete's one. We're going to talk about this sort of clock. It's an analog clock. It's a bit tricky. Yes, it can be a bit tricky to understand. So I've got a video to help you understand what all this is about. And look at the time. Oh, look. The minute hand is pointing halfway down, half past. Get the other one. Get the other. Oh, hold on. Cheeky Monkey's just telling me to get this other board. Look, does this remind you of what we had yesterday? We looked at pizzas yesterday, and we said we could Roberto, he could have his pizza in halves and in quarters. Well, we deliberately did pizzas yesterday and fractions yesterday because we need them when we're telling the time. So when the minute hand points to the 6, it is halfway around the clock, and when it points to the 3, it's quarter of the way around. Halves and quarters. I love it. Oh, crumbs! You dropped that board. So halves and quarters, it's all about that as well as we go through today. What's the opposite? Oh, the opposite of halving, doubling indeed. So we've got a doubling song for you to get yourself warmed up. So ideally you could do with a partner for this one. It's called Double Trouble. It's about you. I think it's about us 2 together. We are double trouble. See if you can spot the doubles, which are the opposite of the halves.
Aye, so you can't find the Loch Ness Monster? Well, watch out. There'll be something twice as scary as that. We are Double Trouble.
2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are double trouble. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are the double monster. 10 toes
and 10 toes,
20-toed monster. 10 toes
and 10 toes,
20-toed monster. 1 nose
and 1 nose,
2-nosed monster. 1 nose
and 1 nose,
2-nosed monster. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are double trouble. the trouble, everything is double. We are the double monster. Two hands
and 2 hands,
four-handed monster. Two hands
and 2 hands,
four-handed monster. Four limbs
and 4 limbs,
eight-limbed monster. Four limbs
and 4 limbs,
eight-limbed monster. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are double trouble. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are the double monster. 20 teeth,
and 20 teeth,
42 monster. 20 teeth,
and 20 teeth,
42 monster. 2 eyes,
and 2 eyes,
four-eyed monster. 2 eyes,
and 2 eyes,
four-eyed monster. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are double trouble. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are the double monster. 2 ears,
and 2 ears,
four-eared monster. 2 ears,
and 2 ears,
four-eared monster. 10
and
fingers,
10 fingers,
20-fingered monster. 10 fingers,
and 10 fingers,
20-fingered monster. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are double trouble. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are the double monster.
Watch out, there's a monster about.
It could be us. It could be us. Well, we've got our glasses, our double monster glasses on. We're double trouble. We are indeed. In fact, trouble is I can't see you when I do that. Oh dear, oh glasses, I dropped mine as well. Oh well, that was great, wasn't it? Double trouble. I love it. Well, the good news is, I see you've got your flags. Yeah, I got double. I suppose you got double the number of bands. You got your babbies down here and you got 2 up there, so double 2 is 4. Oh, I'm loving doubling and halving everywhere. Right, we've sent, oh no, we haven't sent our pig out. We've actually been sending our characters out to go round our special multiples, magnificent multiples training course. Indeed. And our job is, if you remember, is to count with the commentator as the animal goes around our training course. So we're going to count back in 1s, going to count in 5s and 10s and 2s and things. And today it's the bear. I wonder how fast the bear can go around our magnificent multiples training course. Let's check it out.
Oh, and the bear's away! Oh, the ball goes in the middle of the clock. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Well done, bear. Now in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Oh, well done. Now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oh, and it's time for a spin. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh, and some bear star jumps. Oh, well done, bear. Oh, on the ball. Oh, on the hopper. Around the Colchester United flag. Ready to count it. Odd numbers next. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Well done, bear. Now we're counting back in multiples of 9. 108, 99, 90, 81, 72, 63, 54, 45, 36, 27, 18, 9, 0. Grab the tennis racket. Oh, and oh, well done, bear. 1.5 minutes exactly. Way!
He did it in 1.5 minutes. he did incredibly. We're talking about things like quarters and halves, and he managed it exactly in 1.5 minutes. How many seconds? Well, let's just check the leaderboard first. There's the leaderboard. The sheep went round in 1 minute and 16 seconds, and the bear went round in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Show the abacus. Okay, I could get my abacus. That's a good idea. Let me just get my abacus. Oh, you're tickling. Get off. Right, hold on. Here's my abacus, if you can see. So the sheep went round in 1 minute. So how many seconds in a minute? 60. Brilliant. So 60 looks like this. There's 30. 60, so that's 1 minute of seconds, 60 seconds, and then the sheep went round in another 16, so there's another 10 and 6, so he went round in 50, 60, 76 seconds. That's how fast he went round. Now the bear went round in 1 minute and half a minute. Well, there's 60 seconds in a minute, half of 60 is 30, so look, he went round in 1 minute and 30 seconds, which happens to be 90 seconds exactly. That's what he did. That is what he did, Cheeky Monkey. I love it. Hold on, I'm just rescuing Cheeky Monkey. Hey, I'm back. He's back. So, we're going for a mathematical adventure. I got hands. You have. You've got 2 hands here. You got hands. And the thing is, we've got, on a clock, we have hands. Now, this clock has actually got 3 hands. It's got the hour hand, which is the small black one, a minute hand, which is the long black one, and a second hand, which counts the seconds, like we've just been doing 60 seconds in a minute. We're not going to think about the red one at the minute. We're going to think about the minute hand and the hour hand, the black ones on that clock. And if you spotted right at the beginning of the program, hey, that's it. That's my hour hand you're going to see. So here's my mathematical adventure to help us understand what happens. What is a clock about? So, and it's going to use Roberto's pizza base.
Mathematical adventures around the house.
Hi there. I've been given another mathematical adventure around the house monster challenge. It says, can you transform Roberto's humongous pizza base into a gigantic garden clock? You can use anything you find in the garden to help you. Sounds exciting. Hey!
When we have clocks have hands, not like our hands like this, but we have an hour hand and a minute hand and sometimes a second hand. I'm going to talk about the hour hand first. This tends to be the shortest of the hands. Hour hand, and this is going to be our minute hand. With the hour hand, it points to what time it is, if you like. It helps us to understand. So when it's pointing exactly at 12, the hour hand, it means it's 12 o'clock. If it's pointing exactly to the 2, so it's looking at the cones, it's not looking at the golf balls, it's looking at the cones, it's exactly 2 o'clock. If it was pointing halfway between the 1 and 2, I wonder what time it is. If it's pointing halfway between, well, the answer is it's 1:30. It's halfway between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. If it's pointing to 3, it must be 3 o'clock. If it's pointing to halfway between 3 and 4, it's 3:30. So this clock, this hand tells us the time with hours. I'm going to move it out of the way for a minute. This is the minute hand. This hand doesn't look at cones, it looks at golf balls. So when it points to number 1, if you like, it's not looking at the 1, it's looking at how many golf balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's pointing to the 5. When it points here, we've got 2 sets of 5, 10. Here, it's 15. It's counting minutes. So when the minute hand is pointing there, it's counted 5, 10, 15 minutes. It's also a quarter past the hour. If it points here, it's counted 20. Pointed here, it's counted 25. If it's pointing here, 25, 26, 27. It will be 27 minutes past whatever hour it is. So this hand is the minute hand. It points to the golf balls, which are representing the minutes. So if I had that hand pointing there, it will mean it's exactly on the hour. Let's get the hour hand. Here's our hour hand. This, oh, it doesn't want to stay still. This is 12 o'clock. The minute hand is pointing to the 12 and the hour hand is pointing to the 12. If I move the hour hand to there and the minute hand stays here, we've got no extra minutes, but we have exactly 1 hour. This will be 1 o'clock. If the hour hand was pointing to the 2 and the minute hand was still here, it would be 2 o'clock. But remember, if I pointed that halfway between the 2 and the 3, it'll be 2:30. Well, the minute hand's in the wrong place then, because as that moves around, this hand is going around counting the minutes. And how many minutes in half an hour? Well, remember that was 1/4 past, 1/2 So the minute hand has moved all the way around. So 2:30 would look like this. The minute hand has gone halfway round my giant clock, and the hour hand is halfway between the 2 and the 3. It's 2:30. I can tell it's 2:30 without this one, because it's just halfway between those two. But this helps me to know it's 30 minutes past. So if I pointed it, if the hour hand was pointing to the 4, and this one was up here, what's the time? It's 4 o'clock. If the minute hand was pointing down here, and that was pointing halfway between the 4 and the 5, what's the time? 4:30. If I had the hour hand pointing to the 9, and the minute hand up here, what's the time? 9 o'clock. If the hour hand was pointing halfway between the 9 and the 10, and this hand was going down there, what's the time? 9:30. Don't you think cones and golf balls make a great clock?
Hey, it's a bit shaky. Hold on. It's a bit heavy as well. It's a bit heavy as well. Well, learning to tell the time is one of those things. It's a bit tricky, but it's great when you get your brain around it. What about your video? Oh, your video. Yeah, if you just check up here in the top corner here, I just uploaded to YouTube this morning the full 12-minute video there, where I actually start from the beginning and work all the way through, building up the understanding. So if you want to check that out, they might find that really helpful as well. This is the minute hand. It's a bit big. It's enormous. It's actually made up of a plastic tube, a bit of plastic tube, and it's actually got a water bottle hiding in there, so it's got it makes it quite heavy. But there you are. That's that one, and this is the one that we had. This is the hour hand. So hope that helps you guys get your brain around that a little bit. And here's a little song. I've actually, for this song we're just going to show you now, I've actually got different versions on the portal. This version includes halves and quarters, so it's called Tick Tock.
When the minute hand points to 12 and the hour hand points to 4, tick tock, tick tock, the time is 4 o'clock. Tick tock, tick tock. When the minute hand points to 6 and the hour hand's just past 2. Tick tock, tick tock. The time is 2:30. Tick tock, tick tock. When the minute hand points to 9 and the hour hand's near to 5. The time is 5:15. Tick tock, tick tock. When the minute hand points to 3
just past 1.
Tick tock,
The time is 1:15.
tick tock.
Oh, that poor rhombus got squashed. He did. Those 2 clocks got him, didn't it? Oh, I love it. Oh, you got your time goggles on again. Yeah, it helped me. They help you understand time. Oh, well, there you are. It's time for this. I love the pictures. Thank you. There were so many of you who sent us some amazing pizza ones, like Beatrice, Leo and Holly and Matilda there. Oh, I love the pizzas. They're all loving the way they made them and ate them. Sam's got 1/4. He has, as brilliantly. And Minnie and Connie made their own pizzas for tea as well. Well done, guys. And Minnie actually drew some as well. Oh, Thomas's. Thomas's made a great one there. And Joe's on the floor that then Lily went on to play with. Love it. I love it as well. Isn't it great? Oh, Margot, that's her birthday, Margot, and Daniel and Joel as well. And Roberto. Roberto is in the background there. He wanted to be in the pictures.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Touches on the nose.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Well done, Sam.
Cheeky monkey, banana jump.
They did a banana chuck. I think you need to be a little bit.
Number Fun Monster Challenges.
I think you need to be a bit careful if you're going to go down the banana chuck route. Cheeky Monkey's got a very, very lovely soft one here. So when you do banana chuck like that, oh no, not supposed to send your goggles back there. The banana's supposed to be very soft, so it doesn't hurt anything. So just be careful on your banana chucks. But Benjamin and Rosina, thank you so much for your banana chuck. I love it. I love it as well. Okay, here's today's Number Fun Monster Challenges. Number 1, can you create a clock? And I wonder, I made mine in the garden, but could you make one in your garden? Could you make one on your table out of different things? A spoon? Yeah, what would that be? The hour hand. Oh, okay, the spoon could be the hour hand. I don't know what you're going to do. Or you could draw one. Anyway, could you create a really cool clock and then have some practice of doing some time with that? I love it. I love it. Oh, TikTok game cards. Okay, I'm just going to take you to the Number Fun portal because there's loads of stuff on the Number Fun portal. So this is the TikTok song. In fact, this is on there. Look, there's 3 versions of TikTok. I've actually got another one that I haven't yet put on the portal that's about telling the time to every 5 minutes. But there's 3 versions on there. If you go to TikTok, I use the quarters one. The parent notes, there's just some great game cards. Look at those. You can play some great, if you print those out and cut them up, some pair activities, some ordering activities, all sorts of things. And there's various ideas in the teacher notes there for you as well. So that's that. So do check that out. Oh, 30-second challenge. That's right. So we're going to challenge you to do another 30-second challenge today. And we're really pleased we've got Gareth from IC Maths, Gareth Metcalf. He's going to give us a great one to do today. Wonder whether you can have a go at this as you go through today.
Hi, I'm Gareth Metcalf from IC Maths, and my Number Fun challenge is to find as many rectangles as I can in 30 seconds. So 3, 2, 1, go. 1, this book. 2, the TV. 3, the mirror. 4, this plaque. 5, this photo frame. 6 is this door. 7 is this window. 8 that picture. 9 that one. 10 that one. And stop there. So I managed to find 10 rectangles. How many can you find?
That's very clever, Dave. It is. Gareth's a very good mathematician. He managed to find quite a lot of rectangles. I love it. You love it as well. I do. In fact, look at my pictures. Oh, yeah, in fact, all those pictures up here. In fact, what we've done in today's sort of download, which you can find at the address up here, is we put loads of pictures of the clock in the garden, Dave. That's right. And Alice, what have you said? Some challenges for Key Stage 2 children, Dave. Oh, as well as some great stuff for Key Stage 1 and earliest children can play with those clocks. They're all on there, that download. Rectangles, Dave. Oh, I suppose they are. The pictures are actually in the form of rectangles. I love it. Oh, I'm going to go, Dave. Oh, yeah. Boy, he's gone. I'm coming back. You're coming back, cheeky monkey, are you?
I want to see what's happening tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow. Oh, you just wait. This is what's happening tomorrow.
What on earth is the Daddy doing?
I don't know.
It's 8 o'clock.
Oh, you can tell it's 8 o'clock because the minute hand is pointing to the 12 and the hour hand is pointing to the 8. So it must be 8 o'clock.
He's having a bath.
Do you think he's having a bath?
I think he is.
I think you might be right. Well, we'll find out tomorrow exactly what's going on when we find the story of the Bunny's Day.
It's going to be exciting.
It's going to be so cool. So please continue to send us your pictures. If you make some more pizzas, we'd love to see those. Roberto would love to see them. I'd love to see those, and I'd love to see your pictures of clocks today. Any mathematics you get up to, please send them to us. And your messages, if you want a shout out, give us a shout out. And those of you who are in school, give us a shout out as well, or send us some pictures. We'd love to see those too. So it's time to go.
Oh dear.
It's time to go, but we're going to be double trouble one more time today, and we'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow on Number Fun Live at 10 o'clock.
It's you and Sue.
So you
It
canna
is me
find
and
the
Sue, yeah.
Loch Ness monster. Well, watch out. There'll be something twice as scary
Oh,
as
you're really scary.
we are double trouble.
2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are double trouble. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are the double monster. 10 toes,
And 10 toes.
20-toed monster. 10 toes,
And 10 toes.
20-toed monster. 1 nose,
And 1 nose.
2-nosed monster. 1 nose,
And 1 nose.
2-nosed monster. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are double trouble. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are the double monster.
Oh, I love this song.
2 hands,
And 2 hands.
4-handed monster. 2 hands,
And 2 hands.
4-handed monster. 4 limbs,
And 4 limbs.
8-limbed monster. 4 limbs,
And 4 limbs.
8-limbed monster. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are double trouble. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are the double monster.
Hey, lots of teeth in your mouth.
20 teeth,
And 20 teeth.
40-toothed monster. 20 teeth,
And 20 teeth.
40-toothed monster. 2 eyes,
And 2 eyes.
4-eyed monster. 2 eyes,
And 2 eyes.
4-eyed monster. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are double trouble. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are the double monster.
I got 2 ears.
Yeah, so have I.
2 ears,
And 2 ears.
4-eared monster. 2 ears,
And 2 ears.
4-eared monster. 10 fingers,
And 10 fingers.
20-fingered monster. 10 fingers,
And 10 fingers.
20-fingered monster. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are double trouble. 2 times the trouble, everything is double. We are the double monster.
Watch out. There's a monster about. I think it's you.
I think you're the monster. We're back at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Half an hour after 9:30.
It is half an hour after 9:30. That's very clever.
I like time.
I love telling the time. We'll see you next week.